Hey there, my digital real estate community. Welcome back to another game-changing episode. Today we're diving deep into the world of email newsletters, unlocking the secrets to connect with your audience on a whole new level. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools to supercharge your content game. Now imagine having a direct line to your audience, free from the noise of social media. That's the power of email newsletters. It's like a secret club where you and your subscribers share a more personal connection. Who doesn't love feeling special? With newsletters, you can offer exclusive content, behind-the-scenes glimpses and early access. Make your subscribers feel like VIPs and watch their excitement grow. Now let's talk traffic. Imagine being able to guide your audience directly to your latest masterpiece. Newsletters are your GPS for channeling traffic to your preferred content, boosting engagement and visibility. For all you creators with products or services, newsletters are your monetization playground. From promotions to exclusive product launches, there's a world of opportunity to turn your passion into profit. Now that we've uncovered the magic, let's break down how you can start harnessing this power for yourself. The first step is choosing a reliable platform. Whether it's MailChimp, ConvertKit or Aweber, find one that suits your needs. The right tool can make all the difference. Think of your newsletter as a mini-show. Share your story, ask questions, and create an experience. Compelling content keeps your subscribers eagerly awaiting the next edition. Consistency is not just a buzzword, it's the glue that holds your community together. Set a schedule and stick to it. This builds trust and anticipation. All right, now that we've gone through some expert tips and resources, let's dive into advanced strategies to elevate your email newsletters. Start by crafting irresistible subject lines to captivate your subscribers. Your subject line is your first impression. Make it count. Keep your content concise, attractive, and appealing. Avoid lengthy, monotonous emails. Every word should add value. Personalize your newsletters using subscribers' names and interests. This can significantly boost engagement. Next, let's focus on analytics. Utilize tools like Google Analytics to identify the hits and misses in your newsletters. Learn and improve. Now, regarding resources, I suggest MailChimp for easy newsletter creation, Canva for striking visuals, and Grammarly for impeccable writing. Experimentation and learning are crucial for a successful newsletter. Happy emailing. There you have it, my digital real estate family. Email newsletters aren't just about content, they're about building a community. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and let's grow together. Subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, keep creating and connecting. See you in the next episode.